So you are welcome to Selemba Online School. I'm teacher Sempa Cosma. We are still dealing with the chemistry. This is our third lesson. And the S1, please, thank you for the interactions in the previous lessons. I hope we are going to be dealing still with matter. But this time around, we are looking at properties of matter. Okay? Yes. Now, I want us to first set ourselves. Move outside the house. Try to be fast, but make sure I don't get an accident. Just outside the house, get a stone. Okay? Then, when you come back, get a glass full of water. Okay? Put some more water in the glass. You can use a cup. Okay, and you put water there. It's okay. And then get a polythene bag, the one that they use to pack sugar. Usually like 1 kilogram, dirty, white, a bit transparent polythene bag. That one. Get one. Okay? And then you blow air into it. Just put it on the mouth and you push air into it like a you get. And then tie it very well. Get those filling. We have a stone, a glass full of water. You can use a cup and a polythene bag full of air. Okay? Tie this polythene bag very well. Okay? So that air doesn't go. Then, after doing it, I want you to identify of these ones. Which one is a solid? Which one is a liquid? And which one is a gas? So you are naming like stone. You name it. Air in the polythene bag. You name it like that. Then, which of the three is the lightest? Try to feel them. Okay? Try to feel them when you touch them. Which one is the lightest? Which one is the heaviest? Which one is the hardest? So you are naming the hardest, whether it is a polythene bag full of air, whether it is what, okay? Like that. So which one is most intact between the particles? So how will you see that? It's by trying to touch it. When you try to squeeze it, can your maybe part of the body penetrate through it, or it can't? So if the body can penetrate it through it very easily, then it is the least intact in terms of particles. The particles are not well packed. If you cannot penetrate through it, then the particles are well packed. So it is the most intact. And we are going to have an assignment. You are going to start with what you have, but you can extrapolate, you can stretch your mind more by looking at other relevant examples of matter, or you can even try to Google or you look into the learner's workbook. And an assignment is mentioning the properties of one, part A, gas, liquid, and part C is solid. The properties, you are mentioning them. You can start with what you have, okay? But you can go further and find more and explore. You can consult your siblings, you can consult your parent, you can consult your sister, your brother, your cousin, and you try to engage them. Try to engage them about this. What are the properties of gases? Liquids. Give them examples. For example, liquids. Give them example. For example, water. What are the differences between water and the stone? Okay, try to brainstorm them. Make the discussion very interesting at home, and then you screen out the answers and forward them on the WhatsApp group. I remain teacher Sempa Cosma, Selemba Online School. Thank you.